Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how you can find the top 5 or top 10 or top 20 winning products for your Shopify or class based. I mean, no, not for class. Okay, you can also use for class based. Okay, so for Shopify, so for class based or your e-commerce store for dropshipping winning products. So and you can add to your store and you can achieve a great revenue for your store or for your business e-commerce. So in this e-commerce era or e-commerce world, you need some great products or one product, and that should be a winning product. So if I will show you in this video how to find with a great tool, and this is a great tool ever. I will show you. So let's introduce first. So this is me Toufic, and you are watching Learn with Toufic on my YouTube channel. So I upload here Shopify web related videos. So there is my several links. You can follow me here. Instagram, buy me a coffee, have a store. You can purchase a high converting product pages for your Shopify store from here. Templates, page gem pages, and this is my LinkedIn, Twitter, Behance. You can see here. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So how can we found a top 10 or top 5 winning products? So let's go. So just go to Google or Mac or Linux. Just go for search for DropSpy, not extension. Just go for DropSpy. So this is the first website. After DropSpy searching, you will get a DropSpy. Okay, first website. So after this, if you have not signed up, so you have to sign up. Click on sign up, and you can sign up. So I have signed up already. So I will click on login. So I am an affiliate partner of DropSpy, and believe me, it's a great tool for the dropshippers. So this is a new they have launched, I think, free Chrome web extension. So let's take this. Okay, you can get it from here also. DropSpy extension, spy extension, Chrome. Okay, leave it. At first, I will show you this website. I think that in my experience, according to my experience, I am recommending you to don't use any extension for DropSpy tools. I recommend you to use this website. I mean the real website. This is the dashboard, and if you are when you will sign up, so just go to my profile and set up your profile. You will automatically set up your profile when you are signing up. So this is my account or my plan. I have a premium plan. So because I am an affiliate, I have 13,640 credits, 640 credits. So I will use I will use this credits to show you how can you find the top winning products. So let's at first there is navigation here. Don't you have to go to here after you purchasing any plan. So also you can 90 days Shopify trial for $1 you can use. You can use Shopify for 90 days using $1 only. But okay, so let's go to ads. So when you will click on ads, so you will see many ads which is running through Facebook. Look, Facebook, what is my favorite? You can add it as favorites, or you can delete it from this library. Okay, so these are running ads. So let's click on drop shipping, filter it. Let's filter it. Look, the platform is Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce. So this is the running ads of Shopify. Okay, so at first let's filter. Click on filter, text search, like it's kind of like baby product, post creation date. You can add a post creation date, like post creation today is November 18 of 2024. So let's give it some days before, from November 8 to 18. Sorry, from November 1 to 18. Okay, from November 1 to 18. Okay, perfect. So media type video. Let's go with video, because video ads is so much important for ad like this baby products or any type of drop shipping. Or this works much better from an image. So page name, we don't have any page name. Scene date, Like we don't have to give any scene date like 18 or just give it 15. What is scene date? Let's see. This date indicates when the ad was seen. I mean, why when I have seen it, but I haven't seen it, so we don't need. Just click on anything. It's just I'm going with 70. I'm clicking on 17. Okay, we don't have any page. First scene date like 9. First scene date like 3. Okay, from 3 to 9. Okay, last scene date, give it 17. 17 to 18 countries. Now you can filter as a targeted audience, target audio. You can target the audience like Facebook ads. So which countries are in which countries the ads are running in? I mean in the couple of weeks. So the much I mean the most of the dropshippers use United States of America as the main focus, and so let's go with United States of America. So our market is United States. Okay, so language will be English. It's we will not we will give it two. Okay, male female. Age will be 23 to 45. Okay, 23 to 45 because it's a baby product. So we can give it 24 to 45. Okay, because they get married lately. Okay, so we can give it 45. Okay, domain, so we don't have any redirect links. E-com platform is Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, or if you have any another like BigCommerce. Okay, let's go with this Magento, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. CTA call to action is like shop now, learn more, order now. Okay, perfect. That means that what type of CTA they are using on their ads. So we know that this type of ads goes with shop now, use shop now, learn more, order now for their to be to take their audiences or customers to their landing pages. So this type of button should we should use to filter this ad. So after that, how many reactions? These are the most important of this tool, DropSpy. These are the main thing of this, because in a Facebook post or ad, which customers are engaging with the ad, which customers, I mean, if the customers are engaging with the ads, engaging with the content, so and commenting, if the comments are relevant to 5 to 7 days or 3 days or 2 days, and I mean updated, so you should remember that the products are engaging, the products are most important for your store, and these the trending winning hot products. So just reminded that the likes should be uh, above 1000. Okay, let's the minimum like should be 2500, I mean 2500, and shares should be minimum, I recommend shares should be minimum 500. Comments, most we need comments. We need to target the comments. So minimum comments should be 5000. Love reacts should be minimum 750. Haha, no, we don't need any haha. Okay, minimum 50. Anger, we need an 0. Sorry, no. Wow, we need this. We need this. Likes, we need more likes, like 20,000. Okay, let's now all is set. Now we should filter. Okay, also we can go with image. Okay, let's add also image. Now we can go for search. Okay, no ads founded. Okay, so let's filter something more. First send it, shares. Okay, let's filter something more. Magento, let's remove Magento and baby product, takes okay, elect skin care, post creation date like from the previous month, October, October, October 4 to 17th of 10, November 18, October 17 to 18 November. Okay, perfect. So male, female. So like should be, let's reduce the like to 5,000, shares little lower, comments little lower, love little decrease this. Wow, little. Okay, let's search now. Okay, so there is no ad running. So let's see from, so this is the method how can we search the ads. So this type of ads are not running in I mean today or in the couple of weeks, within the couple of weeks. So let's uh, drop shipping, go to drop shipping and check that you can how you can filter this. So this is the method how you can filter this. So by this like this is the lower chair, I mean lowest price, this is the chair. So many of it. Okay, let's filter like skin care. Okay, post creation like relevant to October 1 to October. Okay, media type image, video, carousel, multi. We don't have any page name. Okay, scene date like, we don't have any scene date like, okay, we don't have any scene date. Then go to countries, America. Look, many of ads you can see now. Language English, sex male and female, age. So when we are filtering the age, it's not showing. Okay, let's reduce the, let's target the male. Now if we target this, if we go to baby, skin care. Okay, we have got some ads. Female also. Domain we have not, likes minimum 600. Okay, shares, comments. Okay, perfect. Like wow is nearly 200. Okay, let's search now. So we have got one ad. So let's see what is this. Details. Okay, so this is the information. Page name is Norse Organics. So let's visit the page. Friday, post creation date. Okay, image format. So if we go to shop now, or we can visit his page. So this is the Norse Organics. So if we go to the website of the I mean if we go to their website, so let's see if it is a Shopify store or not. If we have a webalizer to, okay, it's reloading, waiting, wait, wait, it is finding the technology. Okay, we can go to Shopify store checker. or theme. Okay, it's using focal theme. Okay, so this is using focal theme. So what is this? It is fully protected store. If we inspect this, sorry, not inspect, let's we can view page source and control F, B double N, boom. So theme name is focal. So this is a Shopify. Okay, Shopify. Look, this everywhere, Shopify and Shopify, 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 Shopify. So we have known, we knew that this is a Shopify drop shipping product. We have searched one, we have got a one winning hot product. So there is a 4K reactions, 175 love, 161 and 680 shares. It's too much shares, and messenger conversation is 1K. So this is a winning product. So this is the method how you can use DropSpy to filter your ads, and you can search for your ads. Like also, if we delete the post creation date, so we can get more. So look, this is also this is a winning product. I can say that this is a winning product with my experience, because this is 6K like, 482 love react, 618 shares. This all are look, this is 8K reactions. So this all are organic and real ads, and this is a winning product. If we go to Facebook page, so don't skip the video, because this video will help you to find the winning products within a small steps. And I will drop a discount code for you, so from where you can get a 30% discount for the first 3 months. Okay, so only 8% will get this. So hurry up and sign up on DropSpy and get your plan. And this is only $29 per month, and if you click pay annually, just $14, 50% off. So it's too much reasonable price. So just go to dropspy.login and use my referral code, and I will drop a sign up link, so you can go ahead there and you can sign up with DropSpy. Look, this is made with Shopify, I think. This is reloading. Let's check it from here. The extension is not working. Control F, Shopify. Yes, it's Shopify. Look, Shopify. Okay, so this is a winning store, winning product. This is a winning product. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So so we will meet in another video with a engaging video and more helpful video. So let me know in the comment section which type of video do you need in the in future, so I will upload that type of video. So I need your comments, I need your suggestions, that which type of video you need from me, so I can help you with these videos and tools or free resources. And if you need high converting product pages within a reasonable price and want to start your business, so you can buy it from me. This is my shop link. Every type of link I will upload in the video description. Just take the video description. So if you go to $30, and there will be just add a discount code of winter, apply, and you will get only for $15. Just add your email, payment card, and just do it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. So bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.